So today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up an automated welcome email for all your new subscribers using Mailchimp. If you're running an online store, whether it's Shopify or another platform, sending a personalized welcome email to new subscribers is key. It helps create a better first impression, and with Mailchimp, you can totally automate that. You don't even need to be tech-savvy to make it happen. First things first, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Now, if you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's super easy to sign up. Mailchimp is an email marketing platform, and the best part? They offer a free plan. However, if you need to scale up, there are paid plans. That gives you access to more features like custom templates, advanced reporting, and more. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to create your first automated email. The first step is designing it. Mailchimp makes this part really easy with their drag-and-drop editor. Once you're inside your Mailchimp dashboard, look for the Create button in the top left corner. Click on it, and a menu will drop down. From that menu, choose Email. This will open up the option to either create a custom email from scratch or to pick from one of Mailchimp's pre-designed templates. If you're not sure where to begin, I highly recommend starting with a template. This takes the guesswork out of design, especially if you're new to email marketing. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates, each designed for different types of emails. Whether you're creating a promotional email, a newsletter, or an event invitation, it's like having a professional design already set up for you, so you don't have to worry about getting the details right from the start. For this example, I'm going to pick a simple layout, maybe something like a single column design, which is clean, straightforward, and looks professional on both mobile and desktop. After you choose your layout, Mailchimp will load it, and you'll be ready to start customizing. From here, you can easily add text, images, buttons, and even social media links. You can also change the color scheme to match your branding and tweak the layout to fit your needs. With Mailchimp, you don't have to be a design expert to create an eye-catching email. The templates give you a strong foundation, allowing you to focus on your message while keeping everything visually appealing. Once you've made your changes, you'll be able to preview your email, making sure everything looks perfect before sending it out to your audience. Now comes the fun part: personalizing your email to reflect your brand's personality. The first thing you'll want to do is add your logo to the email. If you already have a logo, just upload it into the header section of the template. This helps establish your brand identity right away. But if you don't have a logo yet, no worries. You can simply remove the logo block and add a text element where your logo would go. This is a great place to insert your brand name, or even a friendly greeting to get things started. This lets my audience know right away who's reaching out. Once your text is in place, you can easily adjust the font, size, and color to make it pop. I choose a bold font that captures the energy of my brand and make the text large enough to be eye-catching. And of course, don't forget to center it for that clean, polished look. Next, you can add another text block below the header for a warm introduction to your brand. Something like, "Thanks for joining the community." This is the perfect spot to welcome your subscribers and make them feel like they're part of something special. You can use this section to share a little bit about what your brand stands for, your mission, or what subscribers can expect from your emails in the future. Keep it friendly and conversational, like you're greeting someone in person. This is your chance to build a connection with your audience right from the start. To make your email more engaging, you'll want to add some images. Maybe you have a brand photo or a picture of your product line. Just drag and drop an image block into the email and upload your picture. If you don't have product images, no big deal. You can skip this part for now or add a stock image that fits your vibe. Next, let's make the email even more interactive by adding a call to action button. You can drag and drop the button block and customize it. Then, you just add the link to your website, and boom! Now your new subscribers can directly access your store from the email. Once you've got your message and images in place, give it a quick look to make sure everything looks good. The last thing you want is to send out a broken or unprofessional looking email, so take your time with the layout and ensure everything is in the right place. Once you're happy with the design, click Save and Exit. You're almost done! Okay, now comes the part where we set up the automation to make this all run on its own. After saving your email, click on Automations in the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens. To create an automated email, click on Build from Scratch. Next, Mailchimp will ask you to choose a starting point for your automation. You're going to want to choose Subscriber Joins List, which means whenever someone signs up to your email list, this automation will kick in. Once you've selected the starting point, you'll be prompted to add your email to the automation sequence. Just click on Send Email and select the email you just designed. You can customize this part if you like, but we're keeping it simple for now. Then you'll be asked to name your automation so I know exactly what it is. Once you've named it, click Save and Continue. Now you get to decide when you want this welcome email to be sent. For example, you could choose to send it immediately after someone signs up, or you could set a delay if you prefer. Personally, I like sending my welcome emails immediately because it gives my subscribers that instant gratification of receiving something after signing up. Click Save and Proceed. Once your automation is ready to go, it's crucial to test everything before sending it out to your entire email list. You don't want to risk sending a message with any errors, right? Luckily, Mailchimp makes this process easy. You can send a test email to yourself to see exactly how it will appear in your inbox. To do this, just click on the Send Test Email option. This will send a copy of your email to your email address, allowing you to double-check the design, layout, and content. It's the perfect opportunity to catch any formatting issues or typos that might have slipped through. You can also use this test to make sure any links or buttons work as expected, and to see how the email looks on both desktop and mobile devices. This step ensures that your email is flawless and ready to impress your audience before it goes out to the masses. It's a simple but essential step in the email marketing process. After testing, you're ready to turn on your automation. All you have to do now is click Start Workflow, and your email will automatically start going out to all new subscribers.